Recording in progress.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to talk today about Community Chest. Community Chest is our crowdsourced community funding project using Chia for medical, rent, and other bills. So Community Chest, me.me is our website, and the basic idea is this is a way to receive funding from other people. Whether you need to pay doctor bills, house repair bills, whatever you have to pay, this is a way for you to get funds efficiently from others so you can meet your unplanned expenses. Here's a look at our team. We're a globally distributed team. I'm in Southeast US. We got 3 members from California, and we got 1 person from Spain. So why build a fundraising platform for Chia? Well, people have unplanned expenses. In a game, unplanned expenses can come from turning over the wrong card. In real life, unplanned expenses come when you can least afford them. So a Chia blockchain-based fundraising platform will enable people who need to raise funds to efficiently contact and raise funds from those who are willing to contribute. So if you think about it, this is a platform, a middleman platform in between 2 groups of people. The group of people that needs to raise funds and the people with the funds. And so the platform needs to do 2 things. It has to enable the people in these 2 different groups to be able to find each other, and it has to be able to perform efficient transactions so we can move funds from one group to the other group. And potentially we could also provide some governance and other supporting activities as well to ensure that when the funds are contributed, that they're actually spent for the goals for which they're contributed. So here's a look at how our website application works. Someone goes to our Start a Community Chest page. They fill out the forms, giving their name, their Chia address, the reason why they want to start a Community Chest, and a picture, and so on. Here's a look at filling out a form. We filled out a form for Sunkist Moss. We filled in the Chia address. We said that Sunkist Moss had some issues with diet and medical attention. And we've attached a photo. And then here's a look at the photo, the page as it's rendered on our site after we've entered the information and submitted it. We say we got a photo of Sunkist. Sunkist stopped eating and needed to be intravenously fed earlier this year after medical attention and some tender loving care. He has started eating again. He's on a special diet and he has medical bills. And here's his Chia address if you want to contribute to the campaign. Here's a look at our technical architecture. Again, we've got this 2 groups of people, the givers and the receivers. And so the givers are giving funds to support particular campaigns, and the receivers are receiving those funds. In the middle, we've got our Chia Community Chest platform. Basically, we've got a front end, this JavaScript web app, which we're using on the website to set up our addresses to receive funds, and a landing page to describe requests for funds. We've got a Python middle tier in between our JavaScript and the Chia utils library, and then then we have our Chia list smart contracts. So the project technology is really relying on JavaScript, Python, Chia Lisp, and Chia utils. Our process workflow is basically what I showed you before, that the fundraiser is going to fill out a form to create a request for funds for medical, rent, or another purpose. The form will, address will be put in there to receive the funds and create a landing page. Then the fund giver is going to click on a link in a landing page to send the funds. And then the fund receiver will receive the funds in their Chia wallet and can spend the funds on the bills or whatever purpose, specific purpose they identified, medical, rent, and so on. Future functionality, we're going to work on building fiat integration. Not everybody wants to contribute, would want to contribute in Chia, so we'd have to have a way to integrate potential contributions in dollars or euros and convert them into Chia. Similarly, on the pay side, not everybody who is going to receive funds is all that familiar with Chia, so we'd want to have a way to convert Chia again back to dollars or euros or whatever it is, their particular currency. Wallet integration, we'd like our website to integrate with the major Chia wallets, make it really easy to set up a campaign and receive funds from a campaign. We'd like to implement some Chia list smart contracts to govern how the users, the recipients of the funds, spend their funds. so that they're spending the funds on the identified purpose. We could also have aspects in the smart contracts that control release of the funds at certain periods in context of the progress and timing of campaigns and so forth. So those are some of the areas where we're looking at building future functionality for this project. Here's some links. Our website, communitychest.me. We've got several video links on the website. We also have a GitHub site. Our Community Chest source code is open source. So I want to thank you for looking at this video and watching our pitch for communitychest.me. And I'm actually going to take a quick look at our website and just show you our website real quick. So let me back out of the slides here, switch over to the website. Here's communitychest.me. Again, we've got a number of different pages here. We got our source code, giving to a community chest, starting a community chest, about page, and a home page. Basic page just talks about the fact, hey, crowdsource community funding using Chia for all sorts of different types of bills. Here's our about, here's some videos. If we go to our about page, it'll go into more detail on our team, given our bios of the 5 of us. We go to start a community chest. Here's, again, here's how you can create one, a campaign. We can give to a community chest. Here's how you can give to a campaign. And we've got our source code over here on GitHub. Several different apps, with Chia code, front end, JavaScript code, Python code, and so on. All right, so thanks for watching this video, and I appreciate your time.